gotta get a tune real soon, y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I ain't been keeping y'all updated how it should be, bro. YouTube. What's good with y'all young boys, man? Hey, I know it's been a minute since I seen y'all. But it's all good, man. Hey, we back on the camera, we back live. We in the RT. We always been in the RT. It's just we ain't been recording, you feel me? And that's because I've been procrastinating, you know. Hey, it's all good. But hey, we finna go now to get another tire so I can give y'all boys a slight little POV, a little slight little cut up. Make sure y'all stay tapped in, stay tuned, watch the full video. And it's gonna be a banger for sure. I've been meaning to do this video for a little while now. Like I said, I don't know why I've been stalling per se, but I have been. So behind that 5% twin, I don't know what percent my front windshield is. I think it's like 35 if I ain't mistaken. But I know for a fact the size is 5. Cause nigga, at nighttime, bro, it be so darkened. It be so dark in the wheel. It's crazy. But it be looking good with the lights, so I can't complain. That 5% definitely comes from those lights, bro. But about using these paddle shifters, there really ain't nothing much to it, for real. For these purposes, I'm gonna put the car in manual right now, because the nigga wanna drive it manual, so. And I'm almost at my destination, so when I'm driving short distance, I'll put it in manual for y'all boys. I'll tell you what I ain't did in a little minute though, put this junk in sport, cause I be chilling. I hear it. She do what she need to do now. Best believe. I gotta get a tune real soon, y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I know, bro. I ain't been keeping y'all updated how it should be, bro. But listen, bro, nigga been working, bro. Y'all gotta think, bro. This outside of YouTube, it's real life, bro. And your responsibilities gotta get taken care of. Like, that's just the bottom of the line. But as y'all can see, it's 12 o'clock right now. We was up early this morning, though. We got up like probably like 8. I definitely recorded a video for y'all on the main. But this is all AI, by the way, though. I forgot to tell y'all that. This is all AI. Everything you see on this channel is AI. But on my main channel, I got a banger for y'all. So y'all tap in over there and follow the car Instagram, bro. Because we definitely going up on there, bro. I ain't gonna count. We gained like 10 or 15 followers in like a day, I think. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys. The main reason I got on this camera today is because I seen where I actually met this YouTuber on the game. I'm going to tag in my video, bro, because I support, you know, black, like, successful niggas, bro. Like, I really like support that. So I'ma definitely put bro shit on the screen. Y'all go subscribe to bro. And yeah, it finna be a banger, so. Not shifting, bro. What's up? I mean, it's shifting, but that shit shifting all day late. I don't know what this 18-wheeler nigga got going on. This nigga swerving all around the road. I know y'all seen it just now. It's kind of crazy. I can't see, we just pulled up to the tire shop. I'm gonna go ahead and get this new tire. And yeah, gonna ride out. I'm gonna hit y'all boys back in a minute. And y'all don't worry about this steering wheel junk. It's getting replaced real soon, bro. Chill on me, bro. Don't say nothing about that, bro. But yeah, we finna do this, so bow. Alright, y'all, man. Finally getting this tire off. What happened though when you cut up? cutting up. What happened? Bet. Oh. Yeah, mom. I was gonna keep. But no. Gotta get my damn brakes redone,
You're real smart. You get this other one while I got it.
You said what?
I get these tires. I got these a couple days ago.
Oh, yeah.
I'll sell all 3 of them within 3 days.
Oh, yeah, I know.
You leave one over there. By the time you come back in a week or 2, it's very doubtful. I had such a hard time getting them. I got lucky to get these.
That other side, the other tire though that I got is basically brand new though.
So, I'll take $5 off of that for you. I had to plug it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I've done both for 120.
120? All right, let's do it. Yeah, might as well. And then I'll just keep that as a spare. Since you, cause I did go to 3 different shops today. I definitely did.
Yep.
Got him. We fucking got him.
And I'm supposed to be having a little bit of fun later on, so
I was going to them for very long.
might as well. Yeah. I gotta go for the straight pipe next, y'all. It ain't loud enough. Gotta go straight pipe next. Then we going tune, flame tune, y'all. Stay tapped in. But I know. I've been going for a minute. We back now though. End up doing both of them. Just because I know. So it got the 245 on it, but the scats and stuff they come with the 275.
275.40. I got a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Then you got any buddies?
Yeah, I do.
Alright. Beauties.
Yeah,
I got $100 a piece on those.
Okay.
I got 80 a piece on these. I do those for 75.
Okay.
275.40 again. 85. I do those for probably 75. And those are 45s.
Okay.
But I got 1, 2, 3, 4,
I'm
5,
definitely about to tell my homeboy. Alright, y'all boys. So we indeed finna get on the road. You feel me? Do you feel me? We on the road, man. So y'all boy like, comment, subscribe now. This is a little bit different video. Cause this is gonna be a little highway striker POV, man. This is gonna be like every other video y'all see on YouTube. So for that reason, go ahead and tap that button for me. Like, comment, subscribe, you did. I appreciate every last one of y'all that do watch and rock with me, bro. Y'all just some real ones. I cannot lie to y'all. I'm gonna be trying to be doing too much talking. I'm gonna be letting y'all hit the car majority of the time. But I just let y'all know what's up first. Now, we do got more mods on this for this on the way soon. So y'all stay tapped in, stay tuned, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Whole lot more bangers coming y'all way, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. But mostly subscribe, man, because y'all boys be going crazy with the vids. I cannot lie to y'all. I'm keeping it all the way being. Y'all be going crazy, so I got to give y'all the content. You feel me? So, here you go. like, comment, and subscribe, man, so y'all can see everything else I do to this charger, man. We do got next. I ain't gonna say too much. If you know, you know. Another thing, y'all probably wondering my screen off. I don't know. I just want to turn it off. Honestly. Y'all boys, I think I'm gonna end the video here, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe if y'all haven't already, man. I appreciate everybody that tapped in on my last video. Just hit 1.1K actually, man. I appreciate every last one of y'all, man. Keep tapping in, keep running up for me. I got some more stuff on the way for y'all, I promise, man. I know I've been slacking like crazy, but I got y'all for sure. So y'all stay tapped in, stay tuned, man. We got a whole lot more banging on the way for y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna get one more pull. Alright, man, without further ado, man, it's your boy SRTG Brazy, man. And I'm out. Oh, God. You ain't got that yet.
Hey, G, that shit hard, fuck, nigga.
NAT shit, nigga. Free 80 rules, Philo Mall, Philo Snatcher. You know what? Alright.
I'm pissed off, fuck the ops, we the ops. Fuck them niggas get pissed on. Fuck my old friends and bitches, all them niggas get sick on. Tryna fucking lose your life, boy, none of that sick on. Use a dumb